report via Delta. Chart rate 155, San Jose Tower, continue inbound, report a 4 miles, please. 4 miles for chart rate 155.
Call you 4 mile final, chart rate 155.
Tower 92, looks like the gator's in the ditch now. Clear the grass.
92, roger, thank you. And what's your request? You want to head out west or stay in the patterns? Up to you.
We'll probably make a southbound departure, if that's all right.
Yep, you got that. You want to go direct from your position?
What are you going to do after this?
Yep, 92, you can proceed direct to the south.
You tell them what you want.
Upwind is your only traffic. There's additional traffic behind you, but they're on like a mile and a half final, no factor.
So you got to tell them what you want.
We'll take off.
We'll select you as in both. Should have done that
Control
before.
at 155, if you could start slowing down just a little bit. You're following Cessna traffic on a 2 mile final. Number 2 on a 1-3, clear to land.
Okay, number 2.
What do you want to do after this?
We'll bring it back to our final chart.
Head back furlong.
Okay, so depart to the east, west, north? What?
Depart to the north.
Okay. You're going to have to tell them that.
You can tell them that on the upwind though, right?
Yeah, whatever.
Number 7862 X-ray, do you want to go to the south?
Hey, firm, we're going to the left.
Number 7862 X-ray, roger. Continue on course, frequency change approved.
Continue on course, frequency change approved. November 7862 X-ray, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Didn't feel like 30 for a second.
Alright, 72.
Tower, Plaza 719, holding short of Delta 6 at Delta 4, ready for departure.
Pleasure 719, San Jose Tower, to hold short 196.
Hold short 6, Plaza 719.
Chart right 155, the traffic you're following is upwind, no factor.
Chart right 155, thanks.
Number 2035 Bravo, San Jose Tower, roger, runway 6, taxi via Delta.
Oh, it would just be basically St. Augustine Tower 1100 is departing to the north.
Well, it's a request.
And 92, we got the Cessna traffic.